That's it, yes. And I want to see, there's a lot of like new bands out there. And like there's so many South African bands and I love the South African bands. So South African bands just keep coming.
Ek is Karl Strydom en ek is hier vir Jeremy Lou.
Ek is Zandelie Smith en ek's ook hier vir Jeremy Loops. Ek is Kaiten Smith en ek love Matthew Moore, maar hy sê hier vanaand nie.
My name is Tam Tam. I came to Park Life to see Short Straw and they were amazing. I really enjoyed them. I can't run into Bombay Bicycle Club, come on, because that's what I came for.
Hi there, I'm Michael Glass. I'm here chatting on MK. I'm here at the Sounds Festival. I'm out here today having a look. I'm very excited to see Jeremy Loops. We're out here for Bombay Bicycle Club. Such a good vibe here, such good people, very good looking people, I must say.
I really want to see Bombay Bicycle Club. Ek weet hulle is internasionale band en jy weet in Suid-Afrika partykeer kry ons nie so baie internasionale bands nie, so ek het al definitief, so moenie bekommer nie. Kyk, sy vra baie vrae. Weet, ek veronderstel om te maak asof sy nie so is nie, maar sy is daar. Ek sien uit vir Bombay Bicycle Club. Ek's Afrikaans. So hopelik is hulle goed en ook Desmond in the Tutus en so. Ek dink dit is goed om Suid-Afrikaanse bands te ondersteun. So hopelik is julle hierso of as julle nie hierso is nie, mis julle uit en julle is hierso volgende jaar.
Daar's amazing fashion, dis alles boho chic en hipster mense, total hipster vibes. Ek love it, ek love it.
A hipster person who doesn't conform to normality, so he does his own thing. He doesn't care what other people say. So I'm a hipster.
Ons is nie hipsters nie. My vriendekring is nie dit nie, maar as my vriendekring hipsters was, ek heel moontlik hipster wees.
So what I do is I'm kind of going with like a very indie look at the moment. You know, I got this in the UK. It's big in this fashion of Simon and Marianne hat. So they're a South African local brand, busy promoting that. Really, really cool stuff. And yeah, so that's pretty much. River Island just came to South Africa, so that's really cool shoes. And yeah, pretty much that's what I'm out here today. Really, really loving it. And the girls are looking beautiful. The guys are looking good. And that's pretty much it, eh? What's really cool about these kind of festivals is kids really come out here to represent themselves and, you know, try new kind of styles, and it's really, really impressive to see what like kids can come up with this day, and everyone's so like trying their new styles and wanting to do what they want and want to impress, but at the same time like appreciating good styles and good fashions. And I mean, I came out here trying to dress up as well as possible and I still have people beating me.
Ek gaan nou maak asof ek deel is van MK, maar ek's nie eintlik nie. Ek's van Durban af. Ek swat in Kaapstad. UCT Ikeys. Ek sal hulle voorstel.
I speak English.
At the end of the day, we're here at the Live Jaw at Marks Park.
At the end of the day,
English.
At the end of the day, we're at the Live Jaw.
Universal language.
Universal.
Ons is hier by Sounds Wild en ons is reg vir Jeremy Loops.
You're old enough to see, you're old enough to treat me with a little respect.
I'm trying to remember the questions I was supposed to answer.
Bier. Casa Light, ek's op 'n diet daar.
Yes, Vito Fruit.
Well, I don't even know you.